Don't judge us. It's burger time.
Oh,
So
you really cut into the burger.
yeah, let
Let
me
me sit up so I don't look.
let me finish the burger. I'll be right back. Thank you to all 8 some odd thousand of you guys who have stayed on my channel even though I haven't released a video in a few months. It's been a while since I released a video.
Cheeseburger time.
Cheeseburger time.
Sorry. I got burger on my mind with cheese. Don't know where you guys are from, but this is called Fat Burger. Boy, look at that egg up in that G thing.
You gotta get it with the egg. If you don't get it with the egg, who are you?
Yeah, don't look at me, I'm eating. Food porn.
Can I get that?
Cheers. Oh, I'm about to miss the exit.
All right, bomb diggity. That was so good.
Now that we annihilated the burger.
Oh yeah, okay. Anyhow, it's been a rough few months, and if this is the same case for you, hang in there. You got this. Life gives you a whole bunch of crap, but do the things that make you happy, and I feel like that's the only thing that's kept us afloat. It's just doing little things that make us happy, like annihilating a burger together. Or even sometimes just staying in the bed.
Hello. Basically, take your little bit of joy you got in your life and magnify it and spread it as much as you can.
It's called milk it.
Milk it.
Milk it, baby. Milk it. Anyhow, this is a video of my kitty. May she rest with the best doggies because she was one of the best. It took me a while to make this video because I had a hard time getting over Kitty, and I still am not over Kitty. She was by far one of the best dogs I've ever had.
Smart.
I'm not going to get into the details because it still tears me apart. But this is her having her puppies. So if you don't want to watch all that, I suggest you just skip right on. I love how you're just in the background.
I'm here, what is it called? Your hype man.
You're my ad lib. Go, big daddy, go.
Go, kitty. Okay, I'm gonna stop. During all this, I'm driving, doing all this.
Okay. Anyhow, this is Kitty having her pups, and it was so nice that us as a family, we got to share this experience. Me, Alex, and Mariah, we helped birth all 8 of those puppies. We took care of them.
And then we kept the biggest.
And then we kept the biggest one. Oh my gosh, this guy is huge. But looking at it now,
kept the horse out of it.
I'm so glad that we kept him because
he's a good guy.
He's a good guy. He really is. But now all the rest of her pups are with great homes, giving love to the world like they need to be. So here it is. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in. I'll try to get to what I can. Oops, a little shaky. But yeah, I'll try to get to what I can and how I can. And I'll also be in the video giving some insight for those looking for some insight on poodle birth.
Poodle birth.
Poodle birth.
Poodle birth.
Like I said before, if you have a weak tummy, this video is not for you. But there's a ton of fun puppy videos in the end, so feel free to go to the end. Anyhow, this pool was bought and set up prior to her going into labor, just so that it'd be a place for her to nest and easy to get rid of the mess. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and have some puppies. So guys, around the 60th day, I usually like to monitor her behavior, and tall tale sign will be a temperature drop, which is taken through the rectum. Yes, I said through the rectum, and it drops below 100, which kind of gives me the sign that she's very close. She'll start kind of scratching maybe at the closet or something, licking herself. Her teats might become enlarged. Just if you notice any abnormal behavior, it's definitely a sign that they are getting ready. I would like to reiterate, guys, that I'm not an expert. I am a very researched person, and I'm somebody who loves to learn And in doing so, I love to teach as well. This was a great experience for myself and my family. But just like with any mother giving birth, you make a calming environment for them, something that is warm as well, and just go with your instincts. And like I said, please do your research, guys. It helps a lot. So if you notice before the pup comes, and it's coming soon, Kitty's very agitated. She will stand up, she will lie down, she will, let out a little cry. This is normal, for the moms to just, honestly, I believe I was like this too in labor, just kind of agitated, just trying to find a comfortable position. And all I'm doing is just supporting her in whatever position that she puts her body into. Please also expect that the bigger the dog, the longer you will be in labor. Small dogs only have about a few pups. Kitty, she had 8. So she needed to take her breaks in between, which were about 20 minutes or so, sometimes longer depending on how tired her body was. She started at 4:35 and we finished around 12 in the afternoon.
Just leave it for first bit. Push it out, baby. Push it out, baby. Push it out. Get it out. Kick it. Good girl. Get it out. Come on. Get it out. Get it out. Go. Ready? Go. Good girl. Good girl. Ready? Ready?
Keeps tucking back in.
It's gonna go. You ready?
Yeah, she might want to sneeze. She came out.
Ready? 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 Go. Go, baby. Go. Get it out. Get that little white pup out. Good girl. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Get it out. Get it out, baby. Go. 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 Go, my baby. Go. You gotta need some blood. Sure.
Yeah, I know.
Here it comes. Good girl.
He went back in.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Again. Ready? Get set. Good baby, baby, stop. Go. Push it.
Yeah. Oh, here he comes.
Push your pup. Push your pup. Ready? Get set. Go, Kiki. Go.
Almost.
There it is. It's a big one. God damn. Show it to her. She has to see it. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. Now kick in. Actually kick in. Come on, kick in.
You got it, Mama. Come on, right here, Mama. Right here. We're gonna have to get to him, babe. Go get the gloves. Okay, here you notice Kitty does get a bit nervous. She gets anxious. And it's okay. She's a first-time mommy. She didn't quite know what to do. So what I did is I helped her with this one. Big Daddy grabs the gloves. I help with the amniotic sac. And once she lays down, I put the puppy on her teat, and her maternal instincts, they kick in right away.
I was going to clean the blood up with it.
Look, he's crying. mostly.
Oh, she's looking at it. Get it, Kiki. Get it, baby. Come on, baby. You got it. There you go.
You know what? You don't have any scissors to cut the cord. Like I said, once her maternal instincts kick in, she has no issues. She's just like a natural little mommy. One thing I can say, guys, I loved keeping her pom-poms and her fluffy tail. Once she had her pups, I had to shave off her pom-poms and her fluffy tail, and it's just because it was constantly getting caught up in the mucus, the blood, and I was constantly cleaning. So just FYI, guys, all hair would definitely need to come off for the whelping process. This is a process, guys. The mommies do remove the sac. They eat the amniotic sac along with the umbilical cord. I was helping, not eating it, but I was helping her remove it and kind of just using the towel to wipe them off and help to stimulate their little airways and such. This is something that you can help with, especially with the new mommies. Too little. Look on top. So if you notice, she's doing so much better now, especially with getting them out and just kind of cleaning them off and getting them going. I should have probably told you this first and foremost. This is not something that I was usually aware of, but please be aware of this. She will have a hard time trying to feed the puppies and have them at the same time. What we did was we got a box for the puppies that were already born. It was, it had towels and it was warm for them. So we would remove them from the mommy while she was giving birth. So if you notice, when she has the puppies aren't in the other puppies aren't in the picture because we remove them in order for her to focus on just one pup. No. I think it was a puppy sack as soon as it get out. There you go. Good girl. Now up on. Good girls.
No, but I'm about to do it while I record it right. Yes, I'm saying.
Oh, it's upside down. So I definitely let mommy do her thing, guys. And some puppies you do need to assist her with. I don't know why, but I could not find my nose sucker in this particular day. But for the most part, this puppy was okay. I did notice some gasping. And there is a technique for gasping. It's when you put the puppy in your hand and kind of give them a swing. Their nose faces towards the ground. Research it, guys. I cannot stress this enough. Research the technique. I'm not an expert. But in this case, the puppy was fine. It just needed a little bit of stimulating from myself and mommy. That is another girl.
Is she good?
Put her next to your ear, Mom. Listen.
That's after the. Once it's all said and done, she had 8 beautiful puppies, 5 girls and 3 boys, all healthy and doing wonderfully well. Once they all came and they were cleaned, I did weigh them all. And throughout their weeks of growth, I monitor their weight just to make sure they are getting the proper nutrition that they needed. The ones that fall behind on their weight, I allowed for them to eat with mommy alone, just so I know that they were eating. I'd weigh them before they started eating and after, just to make sure they were getting the nutrients. It is a lot having pups, guys, so if you're taking on this task, make sure you're ready for it, because it is not for the weak. Alright guys, within the 3 days of the puppies being born, you must do their tail cropping. It's totally up to you, your option, on top of a well puppy exam. Let's go.
Morning, Ryan.
Kia. Hi, Kia. Not a good girl.
Kitty was the best dog we've ever had. She was by far a great dog. I can only imagine the 8 pups that she brought into this world, and we are forever grateful for the experience. Look at the biggie. Here goes the big owl. Nope, he's going poop. You went pee.
Yeah, I thought he was trying to do something. Put his whole entire face in it, but he's trying to drink it. Do you want to try to drink the water too, man?
Look at my chewing on
Oh, shit. Damn.
Do you want to try to drink some water?
There's her mom. Yeah, and here's Big Al. He's a cute, he's a cuddler. He always stay in cuddles. He cuddler. He's a cuddler. And this is Biggie. This is Big Al. This is
I think that's Big Al and this is Biggie. Oh, one of the black ones are.
Hi. Hi, why are you getting in front of the camera? Why are you getting in front of your camera? What are you guys doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
The upkeep of the pups was very hard. Here you will notice I took them all out of one crate. I cleaned the crates, cleaned them all, and then put them back in the crates. And keeping them this way wasn't easy. Also clipping their nails and keeping their paws clean and making sure they all had sani cuts.
Hi, puppies! Puppies out! Puppies! Puppies!
The bigger they got, divide and conquer. That was the plan, guys. Divide and conquer.
Howdy, girl.
And here are the beautiful pups all grown up. This is Rose with her friend Chicago in the back. This is beautiful Bella. She now lives in, I believe, Livermore or Dublin. This is Surrey. She lives in Concord, California. She's such a beautiful baby. And Connor and Finn, the brothers, stay together in San Jose. This is Liberty. Her name is Pedro now. She lives in San Francisco. Big Al, who hasn't gone anywhere. He's still at home cuddling with us. And this is Millie. She has come back to stay with Big Al and us. To my majestically beautiful poodle that I considered much more than a dog. You were my best friend. And there's no doubt about that I will miss you every day. To my subscribers, we get people, dogs, animals in our lives that make us who we are. May you embrace them and love them and continue to love life, because with all the obstacles we do have, it's still a beautiful one. So I'll leave you with this, guys. Try to find the good things and the bad things. It's the only thing that you can do. For example, me and Big Daddy on the way home from work, and the homeless man was having dinner, sunset, candle lit, next to the river with a candle lit. This man was homeless, but he was still making the best out of his situation. And it's easier said than done, but I know you can. I know that you can. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is Big Al cuddling. Bye-bye. And this is Millie. Hi, Millie.